For you were dead, but now you have new life. The title of my share this evening says, when the party is over,
yes,
it's time to surrender.
that's right. Come on, preach it now.
When the party is over,
Yes.
it's time to surrender.
Amen.
Amen.
This evening, as we listen to different testimonies and the beautiful worship of God from different teams, man, you feel the Spirit of God within yourself.
Amen.
See, I don't know about you, but the Spirit of God is moving.
Amen.
Bless all those who are here this evening who worship, who sing praises this evening. May God bless you.
Amen.
But this evening I bring this topic because I know that the young people, it's time to surrender.
Amen. Come on, preach it now.
Whatever weaknesses that you have, it's time to let go. And time to let go. You know, too many times we're bound by sin.
All right.
We turn to the left, sin is there waiting. We turn to the right, sin is waiting. We go backwards, sin is waiting. We move forward, sin is waiting. But the question is, this evening is, are you ready to surrender?
Amen.
You know, when God has a foothold on you, it's hard for the devil to try to move you.
Amen.
The devil tries to destroy you, but since God lives in you and me,
Yes, Lord.
Jesus. Hallelujah.
see, I don't know about you this evening. Maybe you have come this evening with an addiction.
All right.
Maybe it's drugs. Maybe it's pills. Maybe it's drinking. Maybe
Amen.
it's smoking.
Come on.
But whatever it is, it's time to surrender.
That's right, Jesus.
Hallelujah.
The young people nowadays are falling back into the world.
Come on.
We see on the news and on the telecast, young people are dying every day.
Yeah. Amen.
Why? Because they are bound by sin. The devil has a foothold on them. It's time to let go. Stop running from God and start running to